Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss some important terms related to the motion chapter. First of all, speed. It is the distance covered by object per unit time. Distance covered by object per unit time. Okay. If we measure distance in meter and time in second, then its unit will be meter per second. Meter per second. It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Now next. Uniform speed. When object cover equal distance in equal time interval. When object cover equal distance in equal time interval, then the object is in uniform speed. Then the object will be in uniform speed. For example, a car covered 10 km distance in first hour, another 10 km distance in second hour, another 10 km distance in third hour. That means that the car is in uniform speed. It does not include direction. Note this point. It does not include direction. Okay. Now next, non-uniform speed. You can say variable speed. When object cover unequal distances in equal time interval. When object cover unequal distances in equal time interval, that means the object is moving with non-uniform speed. For example, motion of a car in a traffic jam. Motion of a car in a traffic jam. We can't say anything about the motion of the car in the traffic jam. Okay. Next, average speed. Total distance traveled by object divided by total time taken gives average speed. Okay. Total distance traveled by object divided by total time taken gives average speed. It is always positive. It is always positive. Now next, velocity. Displacement produced by object per unit time. Displacement produced by object per unit time is the velocity. If we measure displacement in meter, time in second, then its unit will be meter per second. Here, velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Now next, uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. When object cover equal distances in equal time interval. When object cover equal distances in equal time interval in a given direction. In a given direction. Then the object will be in uniform velocity. Object is moving with a uniform velocity. Equal distance in equal time interval in a given direction. It involves direction, it does not involve direction. Note this point. Now, suppose car is moving, car covered 10 km distance in first hour, another 10 km distance in next hour, another 10 km distance in next hour in a straight road. In a straight road. We have to define the direction of the car. In a straight road. That means the car is moving with a uniform velocity. Okay. Next, non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. When object cover unequal distances. When object cover unequal distances in equal time interval. When object cover unequal distances in equal time interval, that means the object is moving with non-uniform velocity. The object is moving with a non-uniform velocity. For example, car is turning in a junction. Car is turning in a junction. Now next, average velocity. Net displacement divided by total time taken gives average velocity. Okay, net displacement of object divided by total time taken gives average velocity. Okay, so today's topic is done. Very easy and very important topics. Okay, very important terms. Revise this. Okay, and follow your notes. Thank you.